Yes, here's the fireworks, baby. Let it go. Welcome to another video, folks. So I'll be sharing the Navy Pier fireworks with you, which is happening right now. Pretty awesome here. Look at that! Wow. Since I didn't get a chance to capture this on one of my live streams while I was out here in Chicago, so I want to do like a little makeover, get this on video for you guys. Here we go. Look at this. That's so beautiful there. Yes.
Look at that. Oh, wow.
Fuck yeah, man.
Fuck yeah, man.
Woo.
That's what I'm talking about now.
Let's go, let's go.
Light them up.
Light it up, baby. Light it up.
Light it up.
Pew, 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 pew. All right, let's see what happens next. I'm out of here. Might get copyrighted for this video because of the music, but I don't care. At least I'm getting to seeing it. Ooh, pow, pow, pow. Look at that. Boom, boom. This is beautiful right here. So beautiful. Fantastic. I think that's it, folks. But if you're come for anyone that's coming to the Chicago area, they do have the fireworks on Wednesdays and Saturdays at 9 p.m. and it's here at the Navy Pier. So you have to come to the Navy Pier. So if you're coming to the Chicago area, or if you're in the Chicago area, they do have the fireworks on Wednesdays and Saturdays at 9 p.m. at the Navy Pier. That was good. That was good.
That was
man.
good.
That was some good shit right there. That was good. But anyways, folks, I hope y'all enjoyed this wonderful, maybe 10-minute. I think this video is a little over 10 minutes. But if you enjoyed this premiere video of the Navy Pier fireworks, just to make up for what I didn't get on my live stream, my very first live stream here in Chicago in 2 years. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Thanks for watching. I'll have 1 or 2 more videos coming, then I'll wrap up the Chicago content. Hope y'all enjoyed my time here in Chicago. I'm happy to share my time here with you guys, the viewers, everybody. Anyways, have a good one and see you on the next video.